Hi, this is John. Welcome to another video. This is just a quickie today to introduce the new Elements web creations, and these are pattern overlays which have been added to photo collage and slideshows which have been available for some time. You can see that I've already made one or two of these creations, so let's start a new one from scratch and just see how it works. So we click on pattern overlay and then select a photo from our cloud media. I'm going to choose this snowy photo, which I can make into a kind of Christmas card greeting, and Elements automatically generates a range of presets with the various overlays which are available, and it does a pretty good job using artificial intelligence to avoid obliterating the main subject. In the desktop app, you actually need to put a check mark in the box to protect the subject or to do it manually. So I'm going to choose this kind of sparkly one, which looks a little bit like snow. And there are a range of presets, with hearts and other effects, including this nice scroll one here, which I've used previously. And we can save this, or we can download it to our computer, or we can share it. Sharing is limited to Facebook, email, or you can share a link. If you don't want to use social media, you can get an Adobe link which you can give to your friends and family. So no need to worry about hosting on social media if you don't want to. We can also use the mobile app, and that opens up the possibilities to share these creations to WhatsApp or Pinterest or any other social media app that you have installed on your phone. If I jump into the phone app, you can see that there are several tabs under creations for filtering your media. So if you have lots of creations, these individual tabs whereby you can show everything, or creations, slideshows or collages separately, that can be handy for if you need to find something quickly to share. One other thing to point out is that there are now some quick actions which enable you to edit your photos with a single click, and if you like the results, you can save them to your cloud media. And also these include auto crop, auto straighten, auto tone, auto white balance, and remove background. So if you haven't already, give those a try. Just to add that all of these features work well when you take photos with your phone, and it's very easy to add photos from your phone simply by clicking the blue plus icon within the mobile app. You can then select photos from the Apple Photos app on an iPhone, or from Gallery on Android, which is now called Camera Roll. Finally, why would you want to use these features? Well, you may want to share something quickly and you don't have access to your desktop software. You may be at work where you have access to a web browser, or in an internet cafe or library, or perhaps in a hotel room. So the web enables you to add these different creations and effects to your photos and to share them from mobile quite quickly. So I hope you like this video. It's really just a quick introduction. The Elements web and mobile features are still a beta format. Please give it a try and let Adobe know what you think and make any suggestions for alterations. I'm sure there'll be many changes on the way, and it's only through usage and testing that Adobe gets to refine these applications. For the time being, it's only available to English language installations, but I'm sure it will be rolled out to other regions eventually. So thanks for watching, and bye bye for now.